Yeah, sorry, I don't know when that cut out, but apparently I have like 8 batteries for my GoPro and I think they're all shite. And I know, yes, at that resolution one. I'm pretty sure that's gonna get cut off. This is the one I need to get off. Where'd I put my clippers? No, it's dripping a bit. So much dirt, I'm not sure. Yeah. Yeah, these clamps, these things, these are old school hose clamps, I suppose. Yeah, they're shit. I mean, I'm pretty sure that this hose is finished. Yeah, I'm pretty sure. So, I'm not too worried about that. Honestly. Because I can probably get some sort of hose to, one, I can get some generic hose, same diameter. It's not really, it's not really a big thing. Take that off there. It's good we didn't need any liquid. And it's not going to freeze. My garage doesn't freeze, obviously. I mean, I have the heat on a bit now, but usually I keep it just like 10 degrees. Well, there's coolant. Well, there's the hose. That's it. Someone did the same thing. This is the custom. Someone just chopped a piece of hose, but this is all it's all dry rotted, so it's okay. hose. I'll keep that with the tank. Yes. Oh, that's easy stuff. That stuff. This is going to give me a lot of room. Oh, there's another hose, of course. So let's get that off. Now there's more. That's going to give me so much more room under here. Another. And yeah, I'm breaking these hose clamps because I'm not going to use it. These aren't. I don't have to deal with this shit. And they're bullshit. But they put them on. And, you know, this has been off, obviously. And someone didn't even replace them. So that's, I mean, I understand sometimes you're trying to do something on a budget. I'm doing this on a budget. Okay? For sure. I'm doing this on a budget. But it doesn't mean I'm going to be a dumbass about it. I want it dependable. Okay. Hello. Okay, let's not kill the radiator. Hello. Then we have a radiator. And it's not so bad. Cool. I'll flush it out. Put that right here. Won't get killed. Oh, look at all the room I have. Lots of room for activities, baby. Yeah. I haven't done the oil or anything. That has to be done. Yeah, even the fuel lines have those stupid little clamps, and those, you know, are just going to snap. So I'll get some new clamps. They cost all of a couple of cents each. All right, so I'm going to end this one here. Thanks for watching. I appreciate it. Like, subscribe, tell your friends, tell your neighbors. And yeah, talk to you guys later.